হ্যালো ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু ইনফিনিটি আহজী চ্যানেল। ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটরের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine. And you?
Okay, I'm also fine. Have your seat. Have your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, Shanta.
Yes,
Have
sir.
you taken your breakfast?
No, sir.
Oh, sorry. You should take your breakfast in the right time. Otherwise, you could get go to ill. Okay, Mr. Shahjat, have you eaten your breakfast?
No, sir.
Oh, sorry. Both of you didn't take breakfast. Why, Mr. Pratham?
No, sir.
Oh, sorry. I think you all are late riser. Mr.
Yes, sir.
You have taken breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. You?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Both of you have eaten your breakfast, but your tries didn't take your breakfast. You should take breakfast in right time, otherwise you may get ill. Okay. I think you all know my introduction. I am Mohammad Khalid Rahman, a new English teacher of your institute. This is a spoken English class. So I think total spoken are divided into three parts. Do you know it?
Yeah.
Total spoken are divided into three parts: greetings, talking, and departure. We know about greetings and departure. There are limited word and phrase for using greeting or departure. But when we talk with somebody or some person, we have to use some sentence. Yeah. So I think we should know some grammatical rules to make sentence. Okay. So let us learn today. Let us learn about some spoken grammar. Okay.
Okay.
So open your exercise book, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Have you opened your exercise book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us write down some structure. Okay, dear students. If we want to order or request someone to do something or to not to do something, what will be the structure? Do you know? Okay, I am helping you. Okay. Please write down. Tell him plus 2 plus V1. Okay, tell him plus 2 plus V1. Suppose we want to order him to do something. Okay, then I'm talking with you. Mr. Pratham, tell Shanta to do the sum. Okay, then you can use this structure. Understand?
Yeah.
If we want to order somebody or if we want to request someone to do something or not to do something, then we can use this structure. Understand? To request someone, suppose, please Shanta, tell Pratham to give me a glass of water. This is one kind of request. Understand?
Yes.
So I think you have understand the structure. Then, if we want to express ourselves that we're thinking to do something. Okay, we have to use the structure that subject plus think of plus V1 plus ing. Please write down. Subject plus think of plus V1 plus ing. So if we want to translate the sentence that I think of singing a song, then you can use the structure. Okay. Okay. They think of playing football in the field. Okay, I think you have understood the structure. Okay. Then the third structure. Suppose you may think that when we have finished a work, then we have to use this structure: subject plus have finished plus V1 plus ing. Subject plus have finished plus V1 plus ing. By following the structure, you have to make some sentence. Suppose we have finished reading the book. We have finished reading the book. They have finished playing football. Okay. You have finished doing your homework. Okay. I think you have understood the structure. Okay.
Yes,
Then, if we want to translate the sentence, suppose one work is continuing by yourself. Okay. Then you can use the structure subject plus continued. Okay, subject plus continued plus V1 plus ing. Subject plus continued plus V1 plus ing. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So following the structure, suppose we continued going to school. We continued playing football. We continued enjoying a movie. Okay.
Yes.
By following the structure, we have to.
Sir.
Yeah.
What is the Bengali meaning of the sentence?
Which sentence?
We continue to watching.
We continued watching a movie. That means watching movie are going on, are running on, not stop.
Sir, what is the Bengali meaning of this sentence?
I mean, আমি ছবিটা দেখতে থাকলাম তো থাকলাম. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and sit down, please.
Thank you, sir.
Then next structure, we are coming through the next structure. To insist somebody, okay? To insist somebody to do something. To insist somebody to do something, we should use the structure subject plus insist plus V1 plus ing. Subject plus insist plus V1 plus ing. Have you written your structure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now make some sentence using this structure. Suppose he insisted on my going there. He insisted on my going there. I insisted on him doing the work. I insisted on him doing the work. This structure should be used when we insist somebody to do something, to come, to go, to do something. Then we can use this structure. Then write down the next structure. To object on something, you have used this structure subject plus object to. Subject plus object to plus V1 plus ing. Have you written your structure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Subject plus object to plus V1 plus ing. So try to make some sentence using the structure. Suppose I object to singing a song. I object to behaving roughly with me. Okay. That means object. You have an objection. If you have any objection to do something, then you can use this structure. Understand? Okay. This is very important structure, and this is the last structure for today. If you in our daily life, we have to use this structure in different work. Okay. If we want something from anybody, from somebody, we can use this structure. Suppose can I plus have plus noun. Can I have plus noun. Okay. By following the structure, you should make the sentence in this way. If we want something, suppose I want water from Shanta. So Can I have a glass of water, please? We should make use. We should make the sentence using this structure in this way. Understand? Suppose I want to use his pen. I want to take his pen. Can I have your pen, please? Okay? You understand? Okay. I want to take your book. Can I have your book, please? Can I have your book, please? Understand? Okay, dear students, I have given you some structure, very important structure. You should practice on your home. I think tonight you will complete your lesson. Okay? Okay, dear students, see you again. Tomorrow we hope to see you again. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.